follow-up visit right now to see if it's completely healed, but I will update you later on. I just left the doctor's appointment. I'm all clear. Everything is good. I just worked out. I'm so happy. I'm almost healed, about 20% to go, but I'm done. I'm so happy. I'm all healed up. Off the crutches, off the scooter, and I have a good doctor. Yay! Okay, let's start the video right here. I'm going through all of my clothes for the year, and I am donating. Some things are going on Poshmark, and some things I'm donating, and some things I'm keeping, but I do this the first of the year. Usually I do it the first 2 weeks of the year, but I have to go to a funeral in Michigan because I lost my aunt. She was married for 54 years. She was my mother's assistant, so I have to go. She meant a lot to us. So anyway, I'm going through all my clothes, and this is what I'm donating. Clothes, clothes, clothes. Let's get going. This is my guest bedroom. This is what I'm donating. I go through and try on things and get rid of things. If I've already filmed it, I just get rid of it and it'll help somebody else. I'm done with it. And that's what all the bags will be lined up. Okay, so now that it's late, I took my braids down. I decided to braid my hair up and crochet it. I just want to do a quick tutorial on the crochet method. I was asked to do this, so let's get started. If you haven't seen this pattern, I did the tutorial in another video. So here is my hair braided all the way to the back and pinned up in the back. I'm in the quest to grow my hair all the way to my waist again. I want to go further this time, so I'm using this hair. It's called Beach Curl 12 inches. It's from 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ, and its crochet hair is very strong, it's very durable, and it's vacation friendly. And I did another tutorial on it as well to show you a detailed pattern of what I used. And here's my handy dandy braid holder. One pack. This is one pack of hair. So here's a close look at my hair with one pack of hair in it. I only use one pack, and look how much hair I covered. It really depends on how big your head is and how much hair you have. How full do you want the style to be, or do you want to be more manageable? Do you want to wear it up? Do you want to wear it down? It's totally up to you. This hair is so versatile. This is my #1 pick for hair for the beach, and I cruised every single month this year, and I'm still going. And because my leg being broke, I missed out on a lot of time last year, so I got to make up for it. But just to show you my braid pattern, here it is. Very simple, kind of messy. Okay, so this is only 2 packs of hair, and I did my entire head. It's beautiful. This is my favorite curl pattern for synthetic hair. And of course, I'm gonna review it and let you know how I like it. I love this color. This is a 130, and I love the curl pattern. It only took me an hour to install it. It took me another hour to do my braid down, which I'm showing right here. And I hope you love it too. And of course, I have to get dressed and show you how it really looks. So I love it. It was really easy to install. I looped the loops of crochet about 5 times and it went really good. It went really fast. So I'll be back to talk about this hair some more. Just wanted to quickly talk about this hair. I love this hair. This is one of my favorite patterns of hair. It's synthetic, it's strong. And when I say strong, that means it's gonna wear and tear really good. So if you wash it, it curls back up. If you put it up in a bun, the curls don't go anywhere. They stay, you know, and it seemed like it'll be really good for swimming hair. I haven't tried it swimming yet, and I really want to try it when we go swimming. It's still winter, but it's very warm here in Florida. I would say this hair is perfect for swimming, or if you're going out of town, or if you have a lot to do, you definitely want to go ahead and use this crochet hair. This is 14 inches. I usually wear my hair longer than this, but you know, I didn't really look at the number when I ordered it on Amazon, and I'm going to have links for you down below. Everything will be tagged below. This is not sponsored. I bought the hair myself. You can just go ahead and click down below if you want to get it. This hair is 14 inches. Usually I love to wear 18 and longer because I'm a tall girl. I am 5'9", so I love long hair. It seems as though I look better with long hair, but I have worn my hair short before, all cut off, or I wear it, you know, to my waist, but I am growing my hair back to my waist, taking very good care of my hair and growing it with me, and you on this journey with me. So I'm going to take you right along with me. This is my 3rd time growing it to my waist, and it's braided up. I actually do my own braids and I do my own hair, and I don't really like a lot of people in my hair or going to the hair salon. I like to have control over the health of my hair as well as the longevity of my ends. My hair is very fragile, it's very fine, but it can get very long very quick, so I have to really take care of it. So this is Beach Girl. And like I said, it'll be attached below. This is 14 inches and it barely comes to my shoulders. A little bit over my shoulders, maybe armpit length, I would say. I love this color. This is 30, 1B and 30, and I really love this color. So if you love this hair, make sure you pick it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.